Your GitHub Actions workflow just failed. You click through 3 pages, scroll through 500 lines of logs, Google the error, read Stack Overflow, try random fixes. 30 minutes later, you're still debugging. Watch what happens when I let AI do it in 15 seconds. GitHub Actions failures are frustrating. The logs are cryptic, the errors are buried in hundreds of lines, and every failure means context switching away from actual work. You see ModuleNotFoundError buried on line 247. You know something's missing, but what? Why? How do you fix it? Should you update requirements.txt? Install it in the workflow? Use a different Python version? The documentation doesn't tell you. So I built an AI-powered GitHub Actions healer. It connects to your repository via the GitHub API, fetches failed workflow runs, extracts error logs, and uses local AI to analyze exactly what went wrong and how to fix it. Completely free. Uses GitHub's free API and Llama running locally. The script authenticates with GitHub, fetches your recent failed workflows, gets the job logs, extracts the error messages, then sends everything to Ollama. That's Llama 3.2 running on my laptop, and the AI analyzes the failure and suggests specific fixes. Let me show you a real example. Here's a workflow that just failed. There's a lot of output here. Finding the actual error takes time. Let me run the AI healer instead. I will run the healer with my repository name. The tool authenticates with GitHub, fetches the failed workflows, pulls the job logs, even fetches the actual workflow YAML file, then sends everything to AI for analysis. Look at this. The AI identified the exact root cause. Pytest is not installed. It explains why using a simple analogy. Then it gives specific fix steps, including the exact YAML change needed. And it gives me the direct link to the failed run on GitHub. So the AI said to add pytest to the YAML file. Let me do that. The push triggers the workflow again. Let's watch it run. And it passes. The AI recommendation was exactly right. Fixed in under 2 minutes. So what did we build? An AI tool that connects to GitHub, analyzes failed workflows, and provides specific, actionable fix recommendations. It handles common failures like missing dependencies, version mismatches, permission errors, and timeout issues. Everything uses GitHub's free API and runs AI locally with Llama. No additional costs. This is Project 4 in my AI plus DevOps series. Code is on GitHub with full setup instructions, link in description. The README shows how to create a GitHub token and configure everything. Takes about 10 minutes. Next week, Project 5, AI that writes Terraform code for you. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you try this tool, comment how much debugging time it saved you.